Today we have the 2019 Seat Leon. This vehicle has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as cruise control. On the right, we have automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access navigation, full link, aircon, media, and our vehicle settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with Park Pilot, front and rear parking sensors. Just below is our mode button. From here we can switch between our 5 different driving modes. We also have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior.